Today we're making authentic Nigerian bitter leaf soup with pounded yam. Let's get started. Here's everything we need: bitter leaf, assorted meat, stockfish, palm oil, and spices. Yes, change water at least 3 times. This removes the bitterness for a better flavor. Season your meat with salt, onions, and bouillon cubes. Let it cook until tender. Add your stockfish and dried fish. These give the soup incredible flavor. Now pour in your palm oil. Don't be shy. This is what makes it authentic. Add ground crayfish and pepper to the boiling pot of meat, stockfish, and added palm oil. Stir everything together nicely. Time for the star ingredient. Our prepared bitter leaf goes in now. Add your thickener. I'm using egusi today, and stir well to avoid lumps. While the soup cooks, let's prepare pounded yam. Peel and cut your yam into chunks. Even pieces so they cook uniformly. Boil the yam until soft, about 15 to 20 minutes. Add a pinch of salt. Test with a fork. When it's soft and tender, it's ready to pound. See, it slides right in. Perfect. Drain the water completely. We want our pounded yam smooth, not watery. Until it becomes smooth and stretchy. And there you have it, authentic Nigerian bitter leaf soup and pounded yam. Absolutely delicious. Try this recipe and then let me know how it goes. Like and subscribe for more authentic African recipes. See you next time.